quick job on the rear axle. Brake pads are due to change. We don't have a sensor, so we will do a bypass. Next time he needs to change the brake disc as well. So there's a two nuts holding up this thing. They're gonna sound solid. This one here. This one here. They just look hard, but they're not hard. Okay. The center has two pistons. Crack loose. This pin is properly lubed. Palm off. Just as easy. And then you just lean them down on the brake shoe line or parking brake. It is old. Yeah. Old. What I'll do is this. Okay. Just a bit. Okay. Okay. No brake cleaner needed. You hit them brakes, they'll be clean. There you go. And the second one is in as well. That's it. Stick it off. Stick it off. Wiggle around. Watch on the seals. And you get annoyed with the light. What I'm gonna do now is just this. It's